Good afternoon, ma'am. Welcome to Renzel Restaurant. Do you have any reservation?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. May I have your name and for how many person?
My name is Joanna Villalobos. For one, please.
Okay, ma'am. I'll just check in our log if you have any reservation. Okay, ma'am. This way, please. This way, please. Is this table okay for you, ma'am?
Yes.
Please have a seat. May I have for the lang? How about some refreshing drinks to start with? Would you like some pineapple juice or iced tea? Okay, ma'am, I will like that. Here is your pineapple juice, ma'am. By the way, I am Lester Algasa, and I will be your dining attendant for today. And don't hesitate to call me whenever you need. Excuse me, ma'am. Please have some water. Excuse me, ma'am. Please have some fresh water. Excuse me, ma'am. I would like to present to you our menu. I will take your order whenever you're ready. Excuse me, ma'am. May I take your order?
I would like to have a mushroom soup, roasted chicken, and for the dessert, salad.
May I suggest to you our Shanghai spring roll? Will be that all, ma'am? May I repeat your order? Your order for appetizer is cheese ball bite. For appetizer, for soup, mushroom soup. For main course is roasted chicken. And for the dessert is egg garlic. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Your order will be served within 15 minutes. Excuse me, ma'am. May I remove this unnecessary things? Excuse me, ma'am. May I complete the setup for you? Yes, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. May I present to you our wine, please? Here is red wine, and here is the white wine selection.
I think I would like to have a bottle of wine. What can you suggest?
May I suggest to you our premium white wine, which is Malin, a product of Italy with a vintage year of 2017. And the alcohol content is 3%. It has aroma of apple and lime.
Okay, let me try it.
Excuse me, ma'am. May I complete your setup? Excuse me, ma'am. Malin white wine with a vintage year of 2017 in Italy, and it has 3% volume of alcohol. Here is your cork, ma'am. May I, ma'am? Excuse me, ma'am. May I clear the table for you? Excuse me, ma'am. May I grab your table, please? Okay, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. May I grab your table, please? Excuse me, ma'am. Here's your egg tart. Excuse me, ma'am. May I clear your table? Excuse me, ma'am. Here is your bill. I received 2,000 pesos cash. I'll be back in for your change and receipt. Excuse me, ma'am. Here is your change and your receipt. Thank you for dining with us. We hope to see you again